son.
We're looking at a 53 5-window. Nice interior.
Built in Oakland.
Built in
at the
Oakland.
manufacturer over there, Eastmont Mall. Well, but it
Was this manufactured in Oakland?
Yep. Look at this.
No way.
The plate says OAK on there. You can see OAK on there.
Wow, built in Oakland.
It's
Been in the Bay Area all its life.
Yep.
And you know what? I'm proud of this man. He didn't put a V8 in it.
Nah.
Yeah.
Keep it old school.
Yeah. You know, keep it old school, folks. And you know, this probably gets 25 miles per gallon. What do you get? What do you?
This baby runs.
It runs good, huh? He's got an
3
automatic
weeks,
tranny.
You don't have to worry about full tank.
Yeah, you know, it's got HEI.
Yep.
Got looks like a giant two barrel on there.
Two-barrel carburetor.
You know, I would never put a 2-barrel
Power
on something.
booster.
Yeah. Oh.
Why not?
Actually, I have.
Got fucking aluminum
radiator. Yeah, we got the double action brake.
Got the little alternator.
This is good because if one fails, you still got one to stop you. That's a safety thing, and it's power. That's good.
Yep. Get the old school alarm.
Yeah, this is looking good. How long you been working on this?
See that tequila bottle?
Oh yeah, you gotta have that. Yeah, it's good. So when you bought this, I remember he called me. He said, "I bought this truck," and I looked at the pictures, and there was like, it was just terrible, and it just had like a seized engine in it and an engine in the back. Yeah,
Still got the engine.
and there's just a bunch of 230s in the back weighting it down, all frozen, all seized.
Yep.
But it's looking good. It's a 250, isn't it?
Yep, 250 inline in a 350 turbo transmission.
Oh, okay.
Automatic.
Yeah, let's see how that shifts. Where's he put the shifter? I was wondering about that. Is it hidden?
Put a BM
Oh,
shifter.
B&M. Oh, okay.
Yeah, baby.
Okay.
And then on right above it, I put a beer.
Oh, beer tap. Yeah,
beer
you need
tap.
that. You need,
Boomtown, baby.
Yeah, you need that. Looking good in here, man.
Got the interior.
You just got this done, didn't you? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Original wheel with old school on that.
Old school.
Yeah, this is
old
nice.
school gauges.
Look at that. Made in Oakland.
Yep.
No way. Where's that?
See right there, the serial. See, you got the K on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, unbelievable, right?
Wow, made in Oakland.
Too.
Yeah, well, it's, you know, it didn't go far.
The tank's still in the
Oh
back.
yeah, the one in my truck's the same. Yeah,
We
this,
kept it.
yeah, it's looking good.
I went with the 215s you recommended with the smoothie wheels.
Oh yeah, yes, I recommended that, folks. Faulkner fixes all, you know, setting people right.
I went with the old school headlight backlights.
Yeah. This looks great, man.
I got a single pipe, which I kind of regret it. I think I should have went dual.
Well, it's a 6.
But
Yeah, it sounds good with the single, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this. This is looking good. And here's the engine that I told him to try to unseize.
And
I said,
piece of
Christian,
shit.
yeah, put some stuff in there and unseize it. Oh, look at that. Oh, man, that's fun. Oh, look at that. Wait, what is that? What the heck is that?
That's fucking dog shit. That's
What is it? Oh, it's a shoe for somebody
It's a
from the
shell.
Netherlands. It's one of those Netherlands shells, those shoes, you know. It's one of those, what do they call
Well,
those?
the mouse was wearing them.
No, yeah, the mouse had these on. He's straight from the Netherlands. Oh, this is good, man. That's good in there, bro.
Look at that, man.
And I told you to work on this.
Let's
and
work on that.
I told him to put stuff down in the cylinders and, you know, do the whole. And it didn't. He did. Actually, did you even try?
I threw some diesel in there, and everything that came out was just shit. So
Yeah.
I was like, forget it, dude. I'm getting another
Well,
engine.
you know, good things people don't listen to Faulkner Fixes All. So sometimes you got to do.
I tried it, but
You got to do what
forget
you
it.
got to do.
Forget it.
Wow,
And then
God, that's really bad in there.
We just finished painting the visor.
Oh, okay.
This is a
All right.
Fenton visor, and I'm matching it with the
Oh, with the other one.
with the car.
Man.
Look at that.
Sweet. Those are hard to find.
Yeah.
Did you find those reproduction?
I bought it reproductions in
Okay.
Ontario, California.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow, you got lucky finding those.
Yeah, I got it. Now
And you know,
we
here's
install
what
it.
people have when they have to do their own stuff, folks. You know.
Yep, my
Yeah.
fucking little cherry picker.
Yeah, I got one of those.
My engine hole, if you
Yeah.
need it.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
If you need it, you could take
And
it.
you did a real bed, not just throwing some garbage wood like me. Yeah.
Old school.
Yeah, this is nice.
They didn't want to go all fancy.
Yeah.
'Cause I still take it to Home Depot.
Well,
And do
mine's
my-
worse. Yeah.
Do my hauling.
Yeah, this is looking good, folks. This is the update on the 53. And I'm really glad he didn't use the engine that I told him to unseize. I'm glad he went with something else. And, you know, sometimes you can say it, just say it. Don't listen to Faulkner Fixes All.
Yeah, well, sometimes he got great ideas. Sometimes it's like, shit. What the fuck? He's doing it just to fuck with me. He's doing it.
Hey, this is going on my channel. You can't. Kids watch this, man.
Oh, you see the lights?
Oh yeah.
Watch this, bro. That's the cool thing about this truck.
Oh wow. Oh, got the little halo beams. I don't know if you can. Oh, look at that. Got the signals in there. Yeah, it's those annoying gangster people.
That's right, baby. That's right.
Oh, and it's all lined up. It's all hooked up.
It's hooked up.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're tuning out for now. In the next video, we'll show you a real car. You know, we'll show you some real stuff. You know, people doing real stuff. Okay, take it easy. Thanks for tuning in.